And tell me one thing, which virus is updated by itself? And nowadays, why people are not dying to another reason? People are only dying to coronavirus. Do you think about that?
Iswan, speak. Iswan, speak. You are mute, Rizwan. You are mute. Nalayak.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sir,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
differ with Nilam, sir. Actually, it is a scam, sir. It is if we talk about why don't take corona of animals, sir. Sir, in beginning, sir, all of you know, sir, that we have left eat chicken because corona was catching to animal from beginning, sir. But now it is not clear, sir. But I think, sir, sometimes earlier, sir, animal corona was catching animals, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I watched the news, sir. I have watched the news, and so I heard that corona was catching, sir, an animal. But nowadays it is not catching, sir. I don't think that why it is not catching, sir.
Okay. Neelam, what would you like to speak? Siddharth, what would you like to
Uh,
speak on this?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Some earlier, Neelam was said that she was affected by coronavirus. Then how can say corona is a scam? COVID-19 is a scam.
because I was feeling that it is a fake thing because in that time I have only cold cough and lightly fever.
Then how can you say they can how you can you say I am affected with COVID-19? What
because
reason?
because that time my report has come positive, but I can't. But that time I was not feeling like I am affecting.
Okay, sir. But sir,
Yeah.
Neelam ma'am, actually in India, there are many people. They don't have any symptoms, but they are patient of COVID-19. They have not any symptoms, but they are patient of COVID-19. So without any symptoms, corona can catch.
That's why the
I
reason I am telling you, na, it is a scam. Okay, you know what the big thing is that people are not dying at home; they are dying only at hospital. And if it is a really virus, so the whole country is still affected now.
Yeah, I
It
get
is a big
to.
scam of government, and government has given a
I
name that is coronavirus.
yes. I differ with you, and I reality. I think Corona, COVID-19 is reality, but I don't believe virus really. So my five friends get coronavirus, and 100 people coronavirus vaccine to die. Why? 100 people so vaccine and to die. Why, Mr. Ivan Khan? Why? Don't believe you vaccine. I believe you. I think COVID-19 is reality, but vaccine not reality. 100 people to die. Why?
Actually, corona vaccine is not granted that if you get if you get vaccination done, that corona should not catch you. Corona cannot catch you. Vaccine gives you to fight with the coronavirus.
They
But
gives
No,
only you
not
immunity
good.
power, no?
Not good for
yeah,
government
immunity power.
weapon. Weapon. Not good for weapon. Government is not good weapon. One person check to positive and after 2 days positive. Not negative. Only for positive. Why? Not good weapon.
Excuse
Sorry
me,
to
Not
excuse me,
intervene.
excuse me,
Sorry
excuse me,
to,
excuse me, excuse me, excuse me.
yeah.
If both you are talking corona COVID-19 is a scam, then why all people are affecting by coronavirus, and why all countries are saying coronavirus is very dangerous virus, for
Watch a movie, sir. Don't you watch it news, sir?
Many of persons died because of corona. You can see that
that
on
today, sir.
It's not a point.
BJP chief.
BJP leader,
JP Nadda
Yeah.
is the president of COVID-19.
You are right.
Today he has got
You are right. You are right.
today.
You are right. You are right. But three, four people politician. But only person.
It is not fact.
Only person 2000, 2000, 3000, 400. Why? Not politician get corona. Why?
Love is blind. You should know that there are 1 crore 40,
Yeah.
1,040,000 people in India.
But
corona-
politician.
but the
love blind, excuse me.
No.
Excuse me.
Not.
you know Amitabh Bachchan, who is actor,
Yeah.
who has
Yeah.
also affected by coronavirus.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And example for one example for only for one.
No,
And the news anchor of Aaj Tak has died because of corona.
Yeah.
Love is blind. Hello.
But 100 people to die vaccine. Why? 100 people to die news. 100 people to die everyday vaccine in India. Not our
No.
India.
It's not vaccination is not causing by death. Sorry.
Yes.
If you affected coronavirus earlier, then you vaccinated, then you can die.
Some people.
Then you can die.
No, some people.
If you affected before taking a vaccine,
No. Some people is good. Go to hospital, check for positive and negative. Then for vaccine after 10 minutes you will die. Why? After 10 minutes.
no. It is a fake news. It is fake
I
news.
can't see. I see.
My
Fake news. It is a reality. Okay, it's not a fake news.
it is a fake.
My friend, I see can to hospital, good health, go to hospital and get the vaccine. After 10 minutes you will die. Why? I see.
Excuse me. I am a pharmacist, so I can not tell about coronavirus is a scam. Because I know what is the reality of coronavirus.
70%
Actually, hello, excuse
people
me.
not believe you vaccine. Believe me, 70% in person not believe you vaccine. Not believe you. Out of
Excuse
country
me.
believe you, but Hindustan vaccine not believe you 70%. Why?
Doctor
me.
always said that
Excuse me,
after
love is
vaccination
blind.
you have to take rest only for 14 days because it takes time to make new antibodies. They fight with corona. If you in 40 days you go outside, you get infected by the corona and you can be
Mr.
died.
Siddharth,
Yeah.
I think you are right. Corona is COVID-19 is reality. I know, but a vaccine is not reality. Vaccine is I have not trust vaccine. Believe me.
Okay.
Vaccine can only improve your immunity system.
70% people not believe
Fight with
vaccine.
your-
Why?
It takes time to develop new antibodies. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Excuse me, but when I got this topic and I searched on Google, that I got that according to WHO, World Health Organization, World Health Organization, say that COVID-19 is not a scam; it's a reality.
Mr. Ridwan,
Don't you know that?
Mr.
Do you
Ridwan,
do you believe
Mr. Ridwan
WHO?
Khan, no, WHO news you get for vaccine, but not believe you next corona attack. मतलब आप get vaccine and next corona, मतलब vaccine के बाद आप corona हो सकता है.
English.
WHO news.
Lavage blind, you can say that you can see that many of countries has completely vaccinated and they completely remove their mask and their people can
Only for America and China, but two countries you vaccine you will not wear the mask. Only for two countries.
no, not the two countries, Israel, New Zealand and Australia. There are many of
Okay, I don't know. Okay, sorry, I don't know, but two countries I know, but
America is still survived for the corona. Not
yeah. You
Not
are right.
few.
But reality, but in Hindustan, people 70% people don't believe vaccine. Reality, 70% people don't believe your vaccine. You get vaccine, Mr. Rajwan Khan. You got vaccine?
sometimes it happen that after you taking medicine you die. People takes medicine, he die, but it's not causes of because of medicine he die.
yeah,
You can't say
yeah,
that.
no, any reason, any type of cancer, why, I don't know, but vaccines going on and after 10 years you will die, I think, and you think, why?
It's a mastery. It's a magic.
Excuse me. Vaccine is not a honey dew. Vaccine is a only medicine to treat your your disease.
Mr. Bipin,
Yes.
what is the difference? What is the difference drugs and vaccine? What is the difference drugs and medicine? Why?
Vaccine is initial stage is called vaccine.
No. What is the difference? Vaccine? No. What is the difference? Drugs and medicine. Drugs and medicine. What is the difference?
Listen. If you are affected by if you are affected by virus, yeah, if you are affected by infection, that you should apply medicine, and you are not affected by any virus before you have get vaccinated.
Yeah.
I mean before you you are healthy, then you can take vaccine, and you are unhealthy, then you can take medicine, because medicine work on
Actually, love is blind. I want to say you that medicine is not a poison. That you can take medicine and after the 2 minutes you can die. It's not a poison.
Same problem and vaccine. Vaccine after 10 minutes you will die. Vaccine.
No, you can't. Yeah, there are 1.7 lakhs, 1.7 crore people in India who have got vaccination done, and they were alive.
No, not recovery. Only 10 days feel positive. Not recovery. Only 15 days positive. Corona check and positive. Not recovery. Not recover.
Not recovery.
Not recovery. You can news.
Many of my
No.
Vaccination is not medicine.
1 minute. Any actor, any politician got the vaccine. Example for any actor and any not got the vaccine and not update in your social network. Why? Any actors?
Why? Virat Kohli has got vaccinated. Virat Kohli has got vaccinated. I see on Instagram, and also, do you know Remo D'Souza has got vaccinated.
And
I
got
saw this
vaccinated
on Instagram. Yeah, where are you live?
and also Modi is vaccinated.
also
Arvind Kejriwal has vaccinated, and Arvind Kejriwal has demanded 80 lakh vaccination, 80 lakh vaccination in every month. Today news, Arvind Kejriwal demands from the Kendra Sarkar,
I don't know.
central government,
I don't know. I don't know.
80 lakh vaccination, 80 lakh vaccinate in every month. That is allowed to get vaccination 80 plus.
Government, no, I think government is compulsory vaccine. I get vaccine, but I don't believe vaccine. Believe me, government compulsory vaccine, and I get.
I think you should believe. I think you should believe because you don't.
Excuse me. You believe in TT, means tetanus injection vaccine? You believe in tetanus vaccine?
Yeah, I believe.
Why? Because this is also a vaccine.
Tetanus vaccine, not people who will die. Only for recovery.
No.
Why people take TT vaccine? Why people get TT vaccine? Why?
No. I have got a fever and
Enough.
paracetamol.
बहस करवा दो बस, आर्ग्यूमेंट में तो एक नंबर हो। चलो मैंने ये सब रिकॉर्ड कर लिया, मैं यूट्यूब पे अपलोड करने वाला हूँ इसको आज, सो अपने आप को देख लेना वहाँ पे, ठीक है?
Sir, but this is not good, sir.
Sir, I enjoyed a lot, sir.
I enjoy, sir. Sir, I will try. I will good try,
ये
sir.
सारे लोग ग्रुप में मैसेज करना, इट वाज रियली नाइस डिबेट, वी एंजॉयड अ लॉट, और ऐसे करके थोड़ा, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Only smart people do the debate like that, okay? Bye bye.